Hey my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install the Seaborn library in Python on Mac. Seaborn library in Python makes it easy to create attractive, informative, and statistically meaningful visualizations with minimal code. Before we begin the installation of the Seaborn library, let me show you which version of Python I am using, means in which version of Python I'll be installing the Seaborn library. The command to check the Python version is python 3 version. We hit enter. You can see that I am using Python 3.13.5 and this is one of the latest versions of Python available at the time of recording this video. We are going to install the Seaborn library in the right way. First, we are going to create a Python project folder within which we are going to create a Python virtual environment, and only after making that virtual environment active, we are going to install the Seaborn library. Installing Python modules in a virtual environment keeps your project dependencies isolated so they don't mess with other projects or system packages. Let's begin the installation now. So first we are going to create a Python project folder. I am going to create that folder on my desktop. So I'm going to go inside my desktop using the cd command like this. Over here using the mkdir command, I am going to create my Python project folder, which I am going to name as Seaborn_install. I hit enter and you can see Seaborn_install folder has been created on my desktop. Right now it's empty. So we are going to go inside this folder using the cd command. And now since we are inside the Seaborn_install folder, we are going to create a Python virtual environment. The command to create a Python virtual environment is very simple. It's python 3-m VNV and the name of the virtual environment, which we are going to keep as Seaborn_PNV. Let's hit enter, and if this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created, which we are going to check also using the command ls-l. And there you go, no error. Let's type the command ls-l and hit enter. There you go, you can see Seaborn_VNV is created. Now we are going to activate this virtual environment. The command to do that in Mac is source, the name of the virtual environment, which is Seaborn_VNV /bin/activate. Let's hit enter and you can see Seaborn_VNV has become active. Alright, now let's install the Seaborn library. The command to do that is pip install Seaborn. I hit enter and you can see the installation has begun. I see that it's installing lots and lots of libraries along with Seaborn. Alright, I see that lots of other libraries also got installed along with Seaborn, such as NumPy, Matplotlib. But the good part is that we have successfully installed the Seaborn, and this is the version of the Seaborn library that we have installed. Now let's test its installation. To do that, we are going to get into a Python prompt. The command to start a Python prompt is simply python 3. When we hit enter, we get into a Python prompt. Over here, we are going to import the Seaborn library, and this statement should not throw any error. Bingo! No error. We have successfully imported Seaborn. And what does it mean? It means we have successfully installed a Seaborn in the virtual environment that we created. Now I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to print the version of the Seaborn library that we have installed using this particular line of code. And this should match the version of Seaborn that was displayed above. And does it match? Okay, it's 0.13.2 over here and 0.13.2 over here. And finally, what we are going to do, we are going to deactivate our virtual environment because that's a good practice. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install the Seaborn library in Python on Mac from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.